Hey, g'day folks. This is another S Group daily review video. This is review video number 42. Coming at you guys. As you see, we have the little bell notification signifying that we got our earnings for today. There we go, 0.33% on the money I have invested. So I made $35.90 today, guys. Just gonna click, I read the notification bell. There we go. And if I go down to my investments, you'll see down below here, guys, there it is, $35.90 I made today. I added on $373.86 for the month, which is about a week and a few days. And let's see here. Yeah, total income I've made since I started with the company is $10,826.90. So if you take this amount here and this amount here, in terms of 15,000, which is my next thousand that I'm going to go up. I'm about $450 or $60 away, so I should hit that by next week Friday, guys. Today is Wednesday, so by not this Friday but next week Friday I should flip over 15,000, and then sometime in August I will flip over 16,000. So once I get to 16,000, guys, every 5 days, if it's low, then 6 days for sure, but every 5 days I should be making $300. So that's every week, guys. I'll be pulling in $300, because most months average about 10% earnings. So I have some questions about the company, guys, in terms of people thinking that this company's just going to go away. This company's not going to disappear, guys. They're expanding. When I started, they only had the Forex investment here, guys. They had that for about a year, and then they were advertising that they're going to be expanding into these other areas, which they have this year. So they're making tons of cash, guys, on all these areas. These are different facets of the company you can invest your money in. And yeah, they're very solid, guys. I mean, me, my higher up, we speak to this guy in our chat group. He's directly connected with the owners of the company, and he's a very nice guy. He's bilingual. He speaks Ukraine and it's either Ukraine or Russian. I can't remember, but he speaks great English. He's one of the only guys from overseas that actually speak good English. So yeah, guys, I highly suggest you guys to get involved with S Group. It's something that, some people are kind of nervous about it. It's good to try out. Maybe you could take $100, $200, which is not a lot of money, guys. You could try it out, leave it in the system, see how things progress for you over maybe, say, a month or two. And then from that point on, you could choose to up the ante, as they say, put more money in the account, and then you can you just let it run on autopilot, just let it grow, guys. So as you see, at just under 15,000, my goal next is to get to 25,000, which I might reach probably by the turn of the year, maybe the springtime, and then by Christmas of next year I should be heading into the 50,000 mark, guys. Of course, when some crazy bills come up, I just pull some of the money out of my earnings. Of course, I don't never touch the principal. And it's pretty much like that, guys. So just want to do this quick 5-minute daily review video for you guys, just to show my daily progress, let you guys know that I'm here for you guys. If you have any questions, my email address is in the description down below. You can just reply, make a comment down below. I'll be more than happy to reply back to you. If you want to keep a private conversation, just shoot me an email. Email address is in the description down below. Thank you guys very, very much for watching this video. I'm glad you guys are seeing my progress, seeing my account grow. There's many other users and members all over the world, so we're kind of like a big giant community. And everybody's happy, guys. I mean, it's definitely something that is a beautiful opportunity. I have to give big respect to my higher up there for telling me about it and getting me involved in this about a little over 2 years ago now. And best decision I ever made, guys. Nice to have a passive income So yeah, click on the link down below in the description, sign up, and join my team, and yeah, shoot me an email. Thanks again for watching my 5-minute daily review video, and don't forget to click the subscribe link down below so you can be subscribed to my channel and get all the updates. All right, see you guys later.